Here we have a 2006 Mitsubishi Endeavor LS. So what happens is, I'm sitting here cranking over hooked my ABN2 computer up, and put a new starter in it yesterday. I did a crankshaft position sensor. And there's three things that you need to start a vehicle. There's fuel, there's air, and there's spark. It changes all 6 coil packs, spark plugs, probably 6 months ago. So I know there's spark because when I take this off and I spray starting fluid in there, ether, if you will, it wants to start. So I know I have spark. I'm just having trouble just getting this thing to turn over. So I'm actually working on the fuel end of it now. Excuse me. So I saw no videos online where you can find the location of the fuel pump. I only saw one on a lot. You have to go deep diving into the Mitsubishi Endeavor forums to find any information on where to find the location. There's no YouTube videos, no anything. So I just wanted to make this video to help everybody out. If you're trying to diagnose a problem for crank, no start, Mitsubishi Endeavor. So yeah, so I lifted up the back seat, driver's side back seat, and there's 2 14mm bolts right here. Okay, and then you got this plate. There's one here, one here, one here. It's 4 Phillips head. Okay, screws. And then you have your ECM connector here. And then you have your fuel pump connector here, the sensor. So, if I'm not mistaken. So, and then you want to take the bolts here. I believe I haven't taken it out yet because, like I said, I'm just still diagnosing. And this is for everybody who's having trouble, you know, trying to find the location of the fuel pump. But here it is. I know on the old Mitsubishi Monteros, you have to literally go underneath the car, put it on the lift, or jack it up and literally lift the gas tank down to get the fuel pump out. So I guess they made it easier for the mechanics and the DIY mechanics, backyard mechanics. But yeah, I'm just trying to help everybody out there, trying to find the location. And I first looked back there, wasn't there, and I actually pulled the seat up. I put my hand under there and I felt it. So I just wanted to do this, and like I said, I'm still trying to diagnose the problem here. You know, if anybody has any, you know, any advice on what's going on with this thing, because like I said, I'm just checking off all the boxes here. So yeah, this is for everybody who's looking for the location of the fuel pump. It's here. And yeah, all right guys, please like and subscribe, and that would really help my channel out a lot, you know. Thank you. Bye.